to my channel, Niranjan's Playtime. Today we're gonna make veg biryani and it's actually paneer biryani, which is kind of actually veg biryani. Then we already prepared the rice, that is basmati rice, and this is coriander, cauliflower, carrot, curd, onions, tomatoes, and we have oil to boil. Then we all have the masala, all kind of that, and we have paneer sets fried. Then we have fried onion, then salt, and so we gonna begin. Let's begin. So we kept the oil for boiling. So we gonna fry the onions and rice and all the vegetables and masalas. Then we gonna fry a little bit more. Then we gonna add paneer and some more rice. Then we gonna add these fried onions and all. Then we gonna add some salt in the way. We have kept the onions. Then we will add carrots, but let's somehow it fry. So it's kind of noisy. So let's go. So we added the carrots. Now we are mixing it up. Then we will add some more vegetables. We're gonna add masala. All the masalas together. Oh my god. So also the remaining chili powder. Vegetable paneer biryani is ready. So let's eat it. So I am so excited. Let's eat it and how it tastes. Oh my god, this is so. And we have also vegetable curd. It says good. Oh my god. Yummy. Bye friends, and thank you for watching our video, and hope you enjoy watching this, and subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and bell icon, and bye.